Hi everyone, Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech, and finally, Apple released the iOS 26 public beta. It is officially out. Although they haven't updated their website, I found out through a couple of YouTube notifications that the public beta is now out. I won't be installing it, but I will be showing you how to install the public beta. So, the first thing you want to do, and I would recommend you do this if you are putting this on your main device, which I would caution you against doing if you don't have a computer. But you want to go to settings. Once you're there, you tap on your name at the top. You then go to iCloud. Obviously, I have no iCloud storage, but you go to iCloud Backup. And from there, I would recommend that you back up your iPhone. The reason why I would recommend you back up your iPhone is if you do have a computer, if anything goes wrong with the beta, you can restore an iCloud backup. It should appear you can back up your data into a computer. If you don't have enough storage, though, one thing that I think will work if you go to General, and it's all the way at the bottom, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you go there, you tap More Storage or Get Storage. That's if you don't have iCloud storage like me. So you want to initiate an iCloud backup. Once you've done all of that, then you want to go to Settings. You want to go to Software Updates. And if you don't have the public beta, this is the website you should be on to get it. You then want to go down here to where it says Sign Up. You may be asked for your Apple ID, or I would believe you be able to sign in using Face ID where you don't have to type in your Apple ID password. Once you do that, you then want to go to your settings, tap on beta updates if you have it, refresh the page, then you will see iOS 26. And it brings a lot of features. We are getting features of liquid glass where you can see part of your wallpaper behind app folders. They've tweaked it around a little bit. We also get some brand new applications. In the control center has liquid glass all throughout. Some of those brand new applications that we get, I can find them here. Here's some of them. We get some brand new applications, like we get an all new games app, an all new preview app. And if we scroll up to the top here, this is developer, Apple developer, and the Apple Vision Pro app. Both of these apps look a little bit different. We even have an updated camera app. We have our shutter button with our words at the bottom. Photos is slightly updated. No longer do you have to deal with scrolling up to see everything. You have a library option. Then to the right, you have I believe it's called a collections option. And that will allow you to see your accounts and different things like that. Safari gets an update where it has a floating tab bar. And even in all versions, it has a floating tab bar. This is the compact tab bar. Yes, the same one that's on the iPad, the compact tab bar. And even that one is floating. And this tab bar, how it's edge to edge, it's also floating. If you go to the top tab bar, it's floating as well. They've made some significant changes, and I have screenshots here. This is the standard tab bar. It's floating. And let's see if I don't have any pictures of the compact tab bar, but here's the control center elements. Now with the recent beta of beta 4, the beta 3, they've added new wallpapers. We have Halo or Shadow, Sky, Halo, and Dusk. Those are the new wallpapers. We have them for both iPhone and iPad. And here is some more updates for iOS 26. Now, the first time you install the update, you're going to be greeted with the hello screen. Now, what's interesting about the hello screen is the Apple logo transitions into the first part of the hello screen, and it looks a little bit different. It's more glassy. The wallpaper isn't as blurred as before. If I update in September, or maybe if I get to install the beta, I will record a video on my iPad, airdrop it to my iPhone, and show it to you guys on the updated hello screen in iOS 26. Well, now Apple has updated their page here, and it now says Apple Beta Software Program. So that officially means the public beta is now out. If you've been waiting to try out the public beta, now is your chance to do that. Now, I do have a video on my YouTube channel. If I go to my YouTube channel here, here's a video I did on how to downgrade your device. It works the same way for iPhone and iPad. There was mention about a new recovery assist option. I don't know much about that feature, but it will work on the iPad, I believe. I have to do more research on that so I can mention it in another video. But that's how you get the iOS 26 public beta. I won't be installing it as I don't have another device to run stable on iOS 18. But if you are installing it, comment down below. And if you're excited for the updated liquid glass and different features, also comment that in the video as well. Hopefully, you enjoyed this video on how to get the iOS 26 public beta. My name is Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.